Today I'm gonna show you how I made coin tricks. Check this. Wow! Press that button.
Aha!
Are you ready for your first secret? Well, that was secret number 1. Now let me show you the rest of it. Can you remember this? Getmatt. Now a real trick. I bet you want to find out how I made it. This trick is simple. White table and white paper. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it. All what you need is glue stick, paper, scissors, glass, and coin. Take this.
Okay.
And now how it works.
Aha!
Snap. And that's how we made it. It was simple, right? Now time for next trick. Do you remember this trick? Now let me tell you how it goes all the way down. Let's try it in an easy way. Let me show you how I made it. What? Let me show you how to go through. For this. For this trick, we will need a cotton balloon, a rubber band, a coin, and a glass. Just put the coin inside and press. You have to do it something like this. Just like that. Now you have to put it on the top. And after that, you have to put a rubber band. So, are you ready for a trick again? Now, magic word. Getmatt. Oh! Now magic trick with the plate. Okay, check it again. I'm not telling you how to do this trick because it is my favorite one. And you have to figure it by yourself. I'm gonna show you how to make 4 out of 2. Let's do it! See how I promised I made 4 from 2. Let me know if you knew how to do those plates. Write down below if you know how to do those plates. Bye! See you next video! Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to smash that button.